Come on. Come on. I need to let me mute my Discord. Settings. 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 Spacky Specs. Good morning, Ciao Bob. Good morning, Dave. Jay, good morning. Focus, good morning. Johnny, good morning. E, let's go. Rich, let's go. Linda, how do you get to Discord? Here's your invite, Linda. So click this invite at the bottom of the chat, the yellow one, and then follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Good morning, Jason Ayo. Good morning, Jay. Eddie, good morning. Hi guys. Doug, good morning. Katie, good morning. Lincoln, potential $3. I mean, it's done really well this morning. In terms of like getting to $3, let's see if we can get above $2 first, right? Every time you break above a previous high, and then your expectation increases. So for now, it would be nice to just stay above $1.20 and then get back up there. I mean, the high is pretty far up there, $1.85 ish, 87, right? So we would need to go all the way back up there and then break above $2, and then we can maybe talk about something else. Good morning, Jeff. Can we make it a offer on Discord bands and kick out Jason as well? Yo, Mo. Good morning, Sam. Good morning. NNOX at 6960. Hope doubling. Okay, let's go, Splack. Let's go. What a crazy morning it's been already. There goes. Oh my days! Look at that. 700%. 700% for JXJT. Good morning, Olu. Highs of the day, guys. Highs of the day. And then also there's a lot of chaos around like PHUN and DWAC because of the filings. Look at that. Another day, another potential 1,000%. It's at $10 already. Oh my days! Isn't it crazy how these things just go from $1.20 to 1,000%? Can you imagine? Can you imagine going to bed and you're like, "Yay! I'm in this stupid stock at $1.22. I'm holding a bag." You sleep in and you wake up the next morning. It's $10. You're like, "Wait, that's not right. That is not right." And this has happened every day this week so far, every single day, right? $1 something to boom skis, $10 the next day. Isn't that crazy? You still like it on a daily? It looks like it's curling. I'll take a look, Jeff. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. And you know what's interesting though is none of these stocks are new. Like there's not a single stock on this list that's like, oh, we've never heard of this stock before. Where is it coming from? JXJT is a stock that's run in the past. right? What's the float on this crazy thing? 5.7 million. So it's not a small micro. 5.7 is pretty small. But in terms of like what we've seen with the other ones, this one's not the smallest, right? It really is insane. It really is insane. My goodness. So hopefully we get tomorrow is Friday. Yeah, tomorrow is Friday. Hopefully we get another one tomorrow. Looking. La, la. Let's see. Yeah, hopefully we another one virus, another one. Good morning, virus. Good morning. Good morning. So, um, these guys, and again, like what's impressive is that um, I'm just looking here to confirm that there's no news. Like there's no news on any of these names. You know, it's just once the volume kicks in, everybody gets excited. Thank you, KB. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys. Share the link, all the other fun stuff. And while you're doing that, make sure we're ready to go here. Um, right, this one's obviously a China name. A lot of them have been China names. China names. Let's see. I do need my glasses. And then DXF was another China name. Uh, and then we have DWAC and PHUN that we need to pay attention to as well. So many names. Linda, yeah, so just use the link at the bottom of the chat and that should work for you. Not the bottom of the chat, but the yellow link I posted earlier. Posted earlier. La 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 la. Copy. So it does look like we're stalling at. I mean, like $10 is a pretty nice hit before the market even opens. So it looks like we're stalling at $10 here, and then maybe a continuation after the market opens. Continue after the market opens. Good morning, Travis. Good morning, everybody. If I jumped in, it would tank. Well, you would also be jumping in after 700% at the highs of the day. So there's a pretty good chance that it tanks. Yeah, pretty good chance that it tanks. So it's funny. Everybody always says that, you know. Yeah, everybody always says that. Like if I, if I jump in, but they always said that after everybody says that after a massive run. No, which cancel? Hmm. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Let me see. Okay. HKD, they announced share buyback. They did. Oh, that was the other one, wasn't it? It was AMTD that announced the share buyback. It wasn't HKD. You made a quick 30% rich. Nice, congratulations. Good morning, Ray. Grifters, Kimbella. Let's go. What was all this fighting in Discord this morning? I woke up and it was all violence, all violence. My goodness, violence. Violence, violence. It was amazing, Varys said. It was amazing. I never woke up this happy. I woke up and I'm like, what the hell is going on? Making another run. Thank you very much. Yeah, there it is on the left hand side there. So nice hit in the demand, nice touch of the demand zone at 920 and then pop. Almost $10 again. So many of these names around $10. The question is which one breaks and then goes boom skis. So this one hit almost 13 earlier. Well, last night, and then this morning it got really close again. So yeah, NNOX on watch. China Natural Resources, CHNR. sitting in a demand zone at 290. So let's see if that thing stays above 290. Fun has actually done a really good job staying above 30 cents over the last, this week. And then DWAC, obviously, again, Pablo's been spamming those filings, um, right? So, and the stock is at 56 almost, which is really nice. So yeah, DWAC and Fun, we're gonna watch those today as well. After I read it was violence. Now you need to go catch up in Discord. The messages have been so when you ban someone, the messages delete. So then I was like, yeah, it's time to go. But so their complaint was, I will summarize. I didn't go all the way up and like start from the beginning. I just read like halfway through. Their complaint was their complaint was when sound was crashing and they wanted to get into sound, we trashed it. That was their complaint. And then now sound is pumping without them. So they're pissed. So then I was like, okay, you know what? Let me go look at Sound. You want to know what Sound has been doing over the last month? I mean, forget about the last month, okay? July. Let's go back 6 months. You want to know what Sound has been doing? Sound has been crashing, crashing, and crashing, and crashing, and crashing, and crashing. Oh my goodness, when does it end? And crashing, 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 and crashing. We can keep going, guys. We can keep going. We can just keep going. Okay. So the damn thing went from above $5 to $1.50. And so what they're complaining about is we trashed the damn stock so much that they didn't get in. And then on this random day, they had news. You know what's funny is if and crashing Dustin, right? If they were paying attention when Sound had news, it was pumped in Discord or spammed in Discord last night. As soon as the news came out, they would have got back in at a better price than what they wanted to get in 6 months ago, and then made monies. But some people just like to complain. That's all. I mean, I guess we just kept crashing. So, anyways, moving on. um, yep. So that was in the yeah from $1 to five. We're also out and waiting for setups. Exactly, Josh. Exactly. Also, attacking other members is not acceptable. So just because you're a member doesn't mean you have to be here. So you can kindly suck it and go somewhere else. Okay. So you don't have to be here. Please and thank you. If you're not happy, there's other places to be happy. So moving on. Yeah, we need fun to break above like 35 cents and then just keep sending it. The chart is almost identical to DWAC. Identical. There goes NNOX above $10, bunny. So yeah, that looks nice. Almost $11 actually on that last candle. Almost $11. No, 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 no. Just looking here. DTSS looks like it's bouncing again. Interesting. DTSS. My goodness, so many names, so many damn names. So many names. Every single day, so many names. La la la. But Sound a month ago, she's very happy now. Shwami, let's go. Congratulations. Love it. Um, Jason, suck it and leave. Am I bullish on AMC yet? Someday someone's gonna say, "Oh my goodness, you guys trashed AMC so much, but it's squeezing today." Yeah, okay. So it looks like into the open here we have NNOX. I hate when these stocks have the same ticker symbol twice, like two tickers same in a row. I think that's a little bit annoying. It's a bit annoying to pronounce. Return to There you go. Let's see what happened. Don't worry, Pablo. Don't worry. Don't worry. Good morning, biker. Annoying, or are you just acoustic? Maybe a little bit of both. I'm still long by default. Yeah, at some. I mean, at this point on AMC, what's the point? What's the point? What's funny is all of these stocks have done splits. I need to pull up like some of the charts here so I can keep track of all this other rubbish. Okay. Oh dang, that thing bounced. Oh yeah, that was a double bottom too, wasn't it? Let's see. I'm just making sure. Just making sure we're good to go on my end. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Blah blah blah. Okay. Sounds good. Perfect. Any predictions in SOUN? I mean, honestly, at this point, let's see what happens when the market opens. Yeah, it won't be a quick mover, no. Right, SOUN was easy to move. It's easy to move now because it's pre-market. You have less blocks in the way. As soon as the market opens for SOUN, it becomes a bit of an issue, especially after the first 30 minutes. You might still have that volume in the morning. People taking profits, people wanting to jump in immediately. But as soon as the market opens for SOUN, be very careful. For now, it looks good, and it's bouncing off the 200, right? 280, 385 ish. It's trying to push there, but like Yogi said, SOUN is not going to be a crazy runner. If anything, it's going to have to run immediately at the open, immediately. Alrighty, so JXJT still kind of chilling around $10 here. So we break above $10 and consolidate, send it. Right, another China name that we are paying attention to, up 280%, DXF. Right, so not bad at all. The only concern for now is people are looking for entries, but some of these stocks are still kind of sitting at the highs. We just have to kind of wait for sell-offs or breakouts, right? For now, we're just sitting in the middle, so there's really nothing we can do about this. Bonjour, bonjour, Emer. Yeah, right. PHUN is failing at 33, whatever the price is. DWAC is just kind of playing with 55, 56 there for now. So it looks like these stocks are almost, just kind of consolidating, waiting for the open. The one that does look good still though is NNOX, but that thing is also stalling at $11. Like it's very close to resistance, right? So just waiting for breakouts in some of these names here, and then we can go from there. Yeah, no, again, like look at SOUN. Like SOUN looks good for now. When I say it looks good, it's actually skipping 2 cents. Like it's not a massive move. That thing has almost a 200 million share float, right? A lot of these stocks that are going up 1,000%, they have floats less than a million or less than 10, right? PHUN has a big float, so it's going to do a lot of this like silliness as the day goes on. Alrighty, so yeah, just be a morning DWAC to 100. That would be nice. La, la, la. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that as usual. It really helps when you smash a like. Get the algos working, YouTube bots. Share the link as well if you want to. Alrighty, please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet and you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots and become a member. All right. So, question for you guys in the chat. The usual question: what's your favorite name going into the open? You have a? Do you have one that you're like, you know what? This is my. This is mine. This is my stock. Good morning, Mon. Yeah, DTSS looks like it's picking up that momentum again. It showed up as DTSS. Yup. Yup. This is actually quite impressive. We actually played with this one quite a bit yesterday, and it's found a really nice base at 770 this morning, and then popped 1150. So that's nice. It's nice. It's nice that these stocks are not just pumping and dying now. They're actually just sustainable. Okay, your favorite? Yeah, JXJT. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, it's trying. It wants to go. It's actually testing the highs of the day now. JXJT here. So, UCAR up. Okay, UCAR. Can hold above 1075. Is my stock? Let's go. Let's see. Let's see. No 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 no. That thing has a that float is ridiculous of that thing. Ridiculous. So no signs of greenness yet though. So let's see at some point if it can give us, show us some green, and then send it. Send it. You're wondering about NNOX biker? 1 second. Make sure I'm signed in here as well. SOUN is your favorite stock? Okay. Tesla puts virus? Yes. Yes. Unless Elon decides to screw it up. Screw it up. Okay, let me take a look. Because it's a Trump stock. It's hated. DWAC is a hated stock. Huh. Interesting. Well, not something I was aware of. Not something that I was aware of. Okay. Let's see. We're doing puts. It was a test. It was a test. Oh my goodness. Yeah, no. I mean, at least it's a good thing that Elon is buying the dipskis. Yeah. 12 cents. Okay, perfect. Let's be positive, please. No name calling in the chat, please. Please. Let's be nice. Yeah. To merge, might buy it just to make money. I thought you bought it already. Anyways, at the open pyros, I mean, so for now, DTSS still looks good going into the open. NNOX looks really good. That thing just popped to new highs. So that looks really nice. It's all these stocks that are pushing above $10 that are actually performing really well. And it looks like we double topped at 1040 for JXJT. So that one needs to break out, right? So we must need to put all these $10 stocks together and see which one pops at the open, because I really can't give you that answer, Yeah, I'm going to pull this one up here. So that's NNOX. I will make money. Yeah, Con? Make monies, please. Your average is $10 on what? On DWAC? Ooh. Your average is $10? Oh my days. There goes 1160, 1170 for NNOX. That thing is pushing nicely into the open here. 1175. Looking good. For long term, I only do options. There goes 1190. You're looking for DWAC as a long-term investment. Mm, I don't know. I really don't know. Um, yeah, yeah. La 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 la. Oh, he said, okay, no, I want to buy. Okay, I won't. Okay, not for long term. Okay, I won't. Okay, sorry. I, mm, yeah, DT. Lion mentioned this already, but yeah, DTSS actually had some news, so that's good. You know what's funny is the name of like pre-market gainers in the momentum scanner channel. The name, like the list in that channel has been very long lately. Usually it's one, two, three, right? The entire week it's been at least five. Yesterday was double, so which is impressive, which is very impressive. Sign language is yes. Yes. Anyways, so here's the list of pre-market gainers from this morning. There's nothing new on this list that we haven't talked about already. All right, so obviously JXJT is still number one. No news, nice pompa, right? Another China named DXF, no news, another nice run. So these names have had some really good runs this morning with low volume, which is fine. PHUN had some news last night from NVDA, right? Which is really good. NNOX done really well this morning. NMG is one that we haven't looked at, but it's done really well this morning as well. And then obviously DTSS and DWAC and FUN. So there's a whole bunch. We're gonna be all over the place as soon as the market opens. Right? What time is it? Okay. Right. Oh my goodness! Look at that! Look at NNOX. That thing is on fire now. Right? 99%, 100%. So these days, everything just goes. Everything just goes. My goodness. Wow, we. Let's see here. Let's see. Because of Nvidia investment. Yeah, that's from last night. Yeah, and NNOX had Nvidia news. SOUN had Nvidia news. RXRX had Nvidia news. So anything that's connected to Nvidia, send it. Send it. There's actually an article in TradingView that combines SOUN and NNOX. After Nvidia discloses blah blah blah, there goes $13. My goodness. My goodness. Let me see here actually. Let's see. Interesting levels. There you go. That thing is still pumping. 109. Good morning, Annette. Good morning, CM. There goes 111. Wow, we. So if you said your favorite stock this morning is NNOX, congratulations, you win. Because that thing is on fire. 113. 113%. It looks like the China names are almost selling off. So JXJT selling off, DXF is selling off. SOUN is still pushing, which is nice. So hopefully it maintains this momentum and then consolidates at the open. There goes 116% for NNOX. What's DTSS doing here? Nothing. So what's RXRX doing though? Because that one showed a little bit of momentum. DWAC is going back for the highs of the day, by the way. So 50, almost 57. Good morning, Pizza, for DWAC. Almost 57. So RXRX, because these names all ran together last night. So RXRX is actually selling off. I think the difference here though is that this one's already at $13, and it's gone to what, $14 this morning. So yeah, yeah, no. So yeah, DWAC and Fund. DWAC is creeping back towards the highs of the day, and so is DWAC. So they're gonna move together. You got in and out. Congratulations. Congratulations. So highs of $14 for NNOX, and then back to 1280, and then back to 1280. Interesting. Very interesting. You had bags in NNOX, SOUN, and RXRX. Better to be lucky than good, I guess. No, Yogi. And that's what I'm saying, right? Like, none of these stocks that are pumping are stocks that, like, they're so out of, like, the ticker symbols we've never heard of before. These are all stocks that have exploded at some point. So we need to keep track of these names. We need to create a list, create a list of crazy runners. When the market runs, there's a good chance they're all going to run. Oh, no, I think I messed that up, actually. 1 second. Uh, there you go. We shall pump. Let's go, Con. We shall pump. There goes $14 again here for NNOX. Good morning, Mash. What about Luna? I'll take a look. Yeah, I keep missing Jeff's question. Actually, let me go back up, Jeff. It's the chaos. It's the chaos. There goes 1430. New highs of the day. My goodness. I'll leave your question up there, Jeff, so I don't forget. Oh my days! Look at that thing. 1450, 127%. 100 and there you go. We shall pump. What are we doing here with the other ones? It looks like DTSS is trying to curl their line of $10. So hopefully we stay above $10. We have 10 minutes left before the market opens. FUN is sending it. Right, FUN is at 34 cents now. I think our next resistance was at 35 we mentioned earlier. Yeah, so 35 cents for FUN. I'm pretty sure there's a Trump event this weekend. There's a Trump event this weekend, isn't there? Pretty sure there is. Yeah, I've seen some speculation of, like, what's her name, Haley something, dropping out and Trump winning, and then these stocks going crazy. So yep. You don't want to be a bag holder. Is it a good time? You could always scale out, Swami. You could always scale out, right? Take some profits off the table, especially at the highs. If you don't want to be a bag holder, take some profits off the table. 1675, send it. Just keep sending it, Justin. Keep sending it. So if you're concerned, take some profits. Anyways, let me take a look here. So Jeff is asking about NUKK. Curl just bought another company dealing with cross-border transactions. Okay. Yeah, these guys had news. And it seems to fit the theme of, well, okay. Yeah. Looks like 70 cents was nice, Jeff. You know what I would do with this one, Jeff? Is the double bottom you see, the bottom you're talking about, it fits the theme, right? Everything seems to align, but that bottom is at 80 cents. So it could still have some room to go to the downside. So if you're looking to play this thing, I would be looking for when momentum is shifting. And the way you can tell is when that thing decides to go from green to red, from red to green, right? It was red yesterday all day, right? And this morning it's continued that trend. You don't want to be buying it and then all of a sudden it just keeps going and going and going and going. right? So if this thing finds a way to go back to, from red to green, that might be a sign. Um, unless you're willing to take the risk, but you'd have to get rid of it though if it went below $1.15, right? So the low from pre-market is $1.15. So either you try that now and then you don't let it go below 115, or you wait for that momentum to kick in and then you go from there. She would stay. She would stay. Okay. She said she would stay in. Okay. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. I don't really. Your politics is not something that I yeah. All it did was fill the gap and then back down. Yeah. Yep. 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 The word rock. You're welcome. Yeah, the reason he's spamming that is because it's not really moving yet. There you go. You and Jason are wild. What's going up 2,000% today? Well, we haven't seen 2,000%, but we've been close to 1,000 though, right? And that's been JXJT. JXJT. So with these names, let's see what happens when the market opens. There's no need in to guess which one's gonna go up when the market opens. Let me look at Luna. So did Luna do the launch? Did they take off? I wasn't paying attention. I slept in today. That's why I missed the drama. But Luna seems like it had a really good pre-market. Actually, that thing went to $6 in pre-market. Wow, something good must have happened. After company. Okay, there we go. Okay, there you go. So that was earlier this morning. Yeah, February 15. Up 7.6% at pre-market. Was launched Florida early Thursday on the mission. The first launch privately owned Luna. Okay, sounds good. Wednesday, blah blah blah. Okay, so now we're just waiting for the landing, right? So yep. Good morning, Dan. Ayo. Yeah. So now you're just waiting for them to land next week, right? Or end of the week next week, right? So maybe we just go sideways for now, and then pick up some more momentum when they're landing next week. Yeah, maybe. Are you in a position, Nosotros? Let me know. Assistant trades most of the day. Who works? The other assistant, the other assistant, they hired someone else. They brought their kids to work. Peter, Bernard, good morning. Yeah, no, fun looks good. Fun looks good. Resistance at 35 cents. DWAC also looks good. Resistance at 57 ish. Alrighty, so yeah, these two names look good. Yeah, fun looks nice. So hopefully that continues when the market opens here. Hopefully it continues when the market opens. There we go. Yes, you're still holding 340. Okay, at least you have a good entry. At least you have a good entry. So, and you didn't sell at $6. You're hoping for 16. Okay. Yeah, really not. Let's hope we pop immediately at the open. So 5 minutes to go here. 5 minutes to go. You bought 100 shares of fun for fun. Not much to lose. Yeah, 100 shares won't do much unless we get to $1. Even then, but yeah, like you said, for fun. For fun. Uh, on one hand, phone, on the other hand, glue and cleaner. Jeff, I like it. And popped to 19. I think it was a glitch. Uh, yeah, I'm pretty sure it was a glitch. The high was 1160 ish. Maybe it's a sign of where it wants to go to, Rich. Maybe it's 100 shares of fun. We have to start somewhere. I know, Michelle. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Whatever. Hopefully now it's a double top, Michelle. If that thing goes to all time highs again, that if it breaks about 503, whatever the all time high is, then very rude. I know. Well, oh well. Typo. Oh, the for lift, yeah. RENB, cutting edge AI company, building joins forces with. Okay, maybe another one to keep an eye on. Maybe another one to keep an eye on. My goodness, I like that there's so many names, but I also hate it at the same time. Which one are we going to focus on? All of them, I guess. So SOUN looks like we're dipping again closer to $4. Let's see if that thing pops at the open. NNOX. This one's obviously shown a lot of momentum closer to the open, so hopefully it turns around and pumps. DTSS looks okay there. If we can stay above $10, looks like Luna is bouncing off the demand zone at 515. Looks like we're also finding a bit of a base here on DXF at $1.15. So let's see if we can stay above that. And then yeah, JXJT is also finding a base at 780. So a whole bunch of names. So it looks like DWAC failed at 57. PHUN also failed below 35. So everything just seems to be a weird for now. Maybe approaches and let it go. Okay, sounds good. No, so okay, sounds good. Biker support at $13. No, no. This thing really isn't finding any support. I'm hoping it pops immediately at the open, but I don't think there's any support here. Um, yeah. Yeah. Na 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 na. So less than a minute to go here. Less than a minute to go. Na 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 na. Okay. Sounds good. Just getting my yeah, 1275, Justin. Yeah. Come on, open the markets, guys. Open the markets. 25 cents a share 5 days ago. Yeah, they've done well with those offerings. Hopefully the stock can stay above 30 cents at least. To do a holo, yeah, I know you've been watching that one really closely. So here we go, guys. The markets are open. The markets are open. Come on, NNOX. What are we gonna do here? SOUN is dipping a little bit again. Not a huge surprise that people are taking profits at the open. NNOX is also dipping for now. JXJT is still sitting in a demand zone, so this one looks interesting, doesn't it? Right. So if we can stay above like 780 for JXJT, maybe this might be the one that pops at the open. Only if it stays above 780 here. What are you gonna do? It's all over the place. All over the place. These are some pretty massive candles. That candle goes from $8 to 830, back to $8, back to 830, and it's dropping. So again, either we break above 850 or we break below 780, and it looks like it's doing the other, unless we close above that level, right? And NNOX not really doing much; it's still dipping. So people are taking profits at the open. What's interesting here, though, for this one is that it's still closing these candles above 780. So if we can keep closing these candles above 780 and we get a green candle, JXJT is going to be the one that pops. Not doing it yet. So, what are you going to do? Not yet. It's just playing with that demand zone at the very bottom there. So 780 again. It's like I'm gonna break. Nope, bounce. And we'll come back to this in a second here. And I'm sure this one's gonna get halted if it keeps doing this. So watch for the 200. They're closer to $10 for NNOX. This is why it's really important to DTSS. Okay, I will take a look. Oh yeah, there it is on the left hand side. That one said, "Yo, not watching me. I'm pumping." Yeah, so you took a loss on what? On Luna? Not on Luna. On SOUN. Yeah, SOUN is dropping like a tomato. People are just taking profits. Profit taking. Yep. Yeah, not yet, not yet. DTSS is still pumping them. Highs of the day. Highs of the day. Again, if you're not sure about any of these things, just sit in your hands, sit back and relax. Yeah, DXF is halted off the demand zone. If you're not sure, just sit back and watch. Let things settle a little bit and then make your decisions. Otherwise, you have to pick any, meeny, miny, mo. Which one's going to pump? There are too many names to do that, right? And then you end up picking the wrong one and it crashes at the open, right? 9 out of 10 times stocks will crash at the open. So, especially after massive gap ups like these ones, you want to be very careful. So, I feel like DTSS is doing well because it's a day two play. Day two. Yeah, let me go take a look. Yeah, it looks like PHUN and DWAC is still dropping here. So nice gap ups and dropping. And dropping. And SOUN with a nice pop. 360 back to $4. Wow. It's quite the pop. Yeah, Holo is just an impressive stock altogether. CHRN. NR. Yeah, this one sold off really nicely, Pavan, into the open, and then halted up. Halted up. Let's see. Let's see. Tomorrow, probably. Probably. I don't know how you get halted, how you keep getting into these stocks that are getting halted. Okay. There's so many names on the scanner. PLCE. Okay, it looks like DTSS is really finding resistance at 1350. And JXJT, yeah, that thing just sold off to the abyss, right? So it's really important to find a potential support level, but also find a breakout zone. FBLG is halted up. My goodness. Okay, right. It's really important when you're looking at these things at the open, and we've mentioned this quite a bit, right? When you're looking at the open, and you're like, okay, which one do I think is gonna go, right? Usually, to me, the one that's breaking the highs, the last pivot high from pre-market, is the one you want to pay attention to, right? So if we're paying attention to this level, right? This is pre-market, right? If it's failing at this level and the market opens and it's not breaking that level, then you have a problem. Alrighty. So, and especially if it goes below that base, then you really have a problem. And it's halted down, obviously. But yeah, so again, no breakout on JXJT, but we're going to keep an eye on it still. If you remember what happened with CCG, it opened and sold off aggressively and then came back and went boom skis. So, yep, we're going to keep watching that. And it looks like NNOX is bouncing a little bit off the VWAP. So we held $10 for now and back to 12. We're going to need to get back above 1250 and stay above 1250, or just get a higher low at some point and then keep going. What have you done to fire up the trolls? I did nothing. Nothing at all, Nothing. I guess when everything is squeezing and some people are missing it, they people will always cry. Meh, 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 but, anyways. Meh, 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 meh. I missed it. DTSS still looks good then. Still looks good. Sound came back to 370. Let me take a look. BMR. I'm impressed. Yeah, no, this one is going to the abyss. Yeah, it dropped and halted down 28%. So to the abyss. I'm surprised these stocks are not doing offerings. Really surprised. Yeah, no, it's been halted down for a bit. Halted down for a bit. No, DXF is also halted down here, so not yet. Rejection for SPY at 500. Yes. Kidding. Not kidding. Let me take a look at FBLG. $15. Okay. Well, it's on halted, it seems. Yeah, this one went back all the way to $12. They're rich. To the bottom. To the bottom. Interesting. Anyways, DTSS seems to be the one this morning that's hitting highs. So 1350. Break and close and then go for $15, please and thank you. We need a stronger rejection. Stronger rejection, Dan. Come on. You're holding from 3 days ago and it's way down. Kimbella, I don't know why you're holding it from 3 days ago though. Why? BMR. Why? 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 3 days ago, this thing was above 20 because I was drunk on wine in Spain. Oh, I see how you are on vacation. I was drunk. Yep. My goodness. You know that's how you know you're addicted, right? Yeah, it's halted down NNOX, so no higher lows. So again, when a stock hits a bottom, right? When we watch these stocks at the open, you're home already? Oh wow, okay. When these stocks hit the bottom, what are we looking for, guys? Somebody tell me in the chat. This is an education session. When your stock hits the bottom at the open, what are you looking for? What would you like to see after that? Boomskis? A. Boomskis. B. Double bottoms. C. Higher lows. D. B and C. Anyways, I'll leave it there. um, how we look for someone else to blame. So, you know, and bounce. Yeah. So when your when your stock is hitting the bottom, I will say this every single morning until the ends of time. Okay, when the market opens, love it, right? When the market opens, what are we looking for, guys? Right? When a stock is up 300%, 1,000%, 100%, it really doesn't matter, right? A few things we're looking for. Number one, if we look at JTXJ, this one, right? So we look to the left hand side and find the resistance from pre-market, not the all-time highs in pre-market. We want to see the last resistance level, right? We expect a sell-off when the market opens on any stock. We expect a sell-off. That's number one. I've said this multiple times. The only way I would jump into a stock at the open if it's breaking that last pre-market high, pre-market resistance. So if we showed up in the morning and JXJT is breaking this level, that's a sign that it wants to go higher, right? So again, number one, when we show up in the morning, you expect a sell-off, right? So at that point, if it's not selling off, look for that last breakout. If it's breaking that last high, it wants to go, right? Once you're getting that sell off, it's a really good thing because people have to take profits at the open. I don't mind people taking profits. When people are taking profits, what are you looking for? You're looking for a bounce. You don't have to get in on the bounce though, unless you see consolidation. Like if you see that stock consolidating and it's like, oh, it's consolidating in a demand zone. Okay, cool. Maybe I'm going to take a chance if it's curling up and then set a tight stop loss. If not, the safer thing to do would be again, let it bounce up a little bit, come back and give you a higher low or double bottom. If it's holding a double bottom, that's good. So if you look at like NNOX for an example, right? So we're obviously getting a sell off at the open, right? Market opens, drop, and now we're bouncing. So what am I looking for when we're bouncing? I'm looking for a higher low. Like when it comes back down, one bounce is never enough to give you, to tell you anything. Like when a stock is bouncing once, it's not like, oh my goodness, this is it. It's gonna pump now. That's not good enough, right? You need multiple bounces, or you need multiple levels of support, right? So if I'm looking at this, I'm looking for that double bottom, or I'm looking for a higher low, right? In this case, obviously one candle and it breaks down already. That's not a higher low. That's not a double bottom. There's no reason to buy this, right? Unless we now stay above the 200 and then we create a higher low at that point, and then good. So when you get that sell off, what you would like to see is double bottoms or higher low, but you just want to see that the level that we sold off to in the morning is at least the bottom and it's staying above it. You know, please and thank you. Please and thank you. There you go. Um Hopefully that makes sense. More cushion for the pushing. Yeah. Not sure if I know the expression, but no, again, yeah. Yeah, yeah. That's the whole idea. Like you're trying to, you just want more support is all you're looking for. uh, and there goes the on hold for NNOX, right? $10 in 988. No signs of support yet. No signs. Here we go. You want me to explain that? No, I don't. I knew there was something else to this explanation, to that expression, as soon as it came out of Varys's fingers. I knew it. I knew it. No, but I knew it. So that's why I had to clarify that I don't know what it means, but the way that it comes across is more support. Anyways, DTSS is still stalling at 1350. Nothing is really breaking out yet, guys. Like nothing is really giving us those signs of like, oh, I'm the one. I'm the one. Yeah, right. JXJT still, still selling off as well. So until we get some higher lows, like all of these things are selling off. Look at DXF. It's halted down again. Everything is selling off. DWAC is selling off. PHUN is selling off. Right. So again, this is why we keep saying you don't need to rush. You don't need to rush at the open. You don't need to rush at the open, please. No need to rush. If you're unsure and everything is up 100%, just sit back and watch for a second. Sit back and watch. Please and thank you. This is no fun. I know, right? We were expecting some crazy things, What do you have to say to this? Oh my goodness. And sold off exactly, right? So, yeah. This is one of the benefits of being a part of a community is a lot of you guys got into these plays early in pre-market and took profits early, right? So and then moved on, and then the market opens and everything's sold off. So for now, let's just wait, sit back and relax. We've had 1,000% runner every day this week. Every single day, there's been a stock that's gone up 1,000%. Last week too, right? So there's no need to be rushing into these things at the open. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. No, 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 no. Let's see. Actually, looks good. Really? Oh wow. Okay. Well, don't worry. I'm not gonna look. What does sound? For me, I don't have a position, but I'm thinking about doing something. You don't know yet. I'll take a look in a second. Is there a video on how to play halts? Kimbella, we've had a class on how to play halts in Discord. I don't know if we recorded the session though, but we for sure had a session in Discord. Halts are very relative. If I'm watching a stock that's halted for the first time and it's coming off the bottom, right, it's gaining momentum, it's the first halt, I'm more inclined to FOMO into that thing as soon as it unhalts, right? But if you're looking at one of these names here today that they're up 1,000%, 300%, and you FOMO into the halt, you're gonna get destroyed, right? Also, when the stock is halted down, you want to be very careful with that. Don't go jumping in. When the stock is halted down, there's a good chance that it's going to keep halting down, halting down, halting down, right? When the stock is halted up for the first time, there's a chance that it's going to open higher. Depending on how much of a run it's had, it's going to keep going. If it's halt number 100, be very careful. Let me take a look, Pablo. Look at that. NNOX is still selling off, right? No signs of consolidation yet. This is why that sell off at the open is very important, because once you go below that bottom, that initial bottom, it's gonna keep selling off, right? It's gonna keep selling off. So yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me take a look at PLCE. So that one came across the scanner. That's your store. Rubbish. Yeah, no, this one came across the scanner and it's been pumping. I that thing is sending it, Pablo. Yeah, PLCE, Children's Place. Uh, Yeah, these I've seen these stores around the city. Seen them around the city. Around the city. Na, na, na. 6. Na, 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 na. Yeah, that thing is on fire. My goodness, $29. Look at that thing go, 100%. Wow. Any comments on sound? Let me take a look. It's been a second here. So, sound. Last we saw on Sound, it was selling up. Yeah, there's nothing. There's not a whole lot happening here on Sound yet. So the good thing about Sound is that it's finally trying to cross back above the 9. So if Sound can stay above 350, that would be a good thing. Alrighty. So we've hit this bottom. At the very minimum, you don't want Sound going below 330. If Sound goes below 330, it's not going anywhere today. Not going anywhere. Right. We talked about like how Sound is not going to squeeze. Sound has a 200 million share float, right? It's not going anywhere. So let me see here. One second. Uh, Interesting, actually. Yeah. So what's your position? If you have a position in Sound, let me know. You want that thing to, again, if you're looking for a brand new position, I would wait for that thing to get back above $1.50 and consolidate for a few candles, or just let it dip back to 330. Alrighty, that's what I would do. So again, let it consolidate above 350 first, or let it dip more if it's gonna keep dipping. Yeah, no, that thing is done really well. My goodness, what is it at now? Yeah, halted at 29.20. You're looking for what? 1076. Okay. 1076. Yeah, no, Sound is trying. If it can find a way to hold 350, not really doing it yet, but so yeah, watch for that level. Okay, let's move on. ROI. Rockets in the chat. You like these penny stocks, Michelle? You like these penny stocks? Um, pennies. La la la. Yeah, that thing. This thing was bound to drop at some point, especially since it hasn't had one since the market opened. You hate them? Oh, okay. Yeah, maybe if it can stay above 15 cents here. Are you looking for resistance on a limb? Resistance. What's your position, Gary? This one has no volume, right? 9,000 shares, no volume. No volume. There's a lot of resistance. If you just buy, you can see a lot of resistance anywhere close to $4, 380, $394. This is the entire this chart, this time frame. This is all of 2024, by the way, right? So this level is a big issue for this stock, Gary. Up 8%. Okay, at least you agreed. Okay, that's good. Maybe just try not to go red. Try not to go red. Ready? So, do not go red, please and thank you. Yeah, musty, unbelievable. You're actually gonna play with that thing? I mean, yeah. What is it? 98 cents. It has been consolidating. Maybe it's gonna squeeze when AMC squeezes. I'm kidding, by the way. No, I'm not. PLC is still halted up here, and it looks like a CHNR missed that one, but that thing went off. CHNR. Yeah, that thing took off and then got halted. Dang. I missed it when it was getting spammed in Discord there. IVP. That's another penny stock for you, Michelle. Okay. Sounds good. IVP, not IMPP. Yeah, it's almost the same price as the other one. It's almost the exact same price action as the other one. Almost the exact same. Yeah, we need to start forming some higher lows here for NNOX. Because it's really not doing it yet, right? Obviously, what you see here is lower highs. Yeah, on halted 29.50. Okay, 29.69, $30. Dang, that thing skips like a penny stock. Well, also the float is 12 million, so that makes a whole lot of sense. Makes a whole lot of sense. La 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 la. No news. Yeah. Nope. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Never thought I'd see children's place halting and pumping. Oh, it's going. Look at that, $32. Oh my goodness. The children's place. Whole account 15%. Well done, Wes. Well done. I'm glad you came back from that rubbish. It's very nice. Mm, 180 for SPY. Yeah, I like that number. I like the number. Such a good stock, to be honest. I haven't even looked at the daily yet, but looks like an ant eater. What the hell? Uh, yeah, and it looks like GXJT is still selling off. So no signs of a double bottom, right? This is why it's really important, guys. So wait for that double bottom, wait for that higher low, right? You can look at this and you can say, but Blaze, JXJT is the top gainer for the day. It's gonna go boom skis. It doesn't matter, guys, right? As soon as the market opens and it dips and it doesn't give us a double bottom or a higher low, no thank you. Look at that. Every time we go up, we fill at the 9 and then we hit new lows. So for now, that thing is trash until we see a higher low. Watch, at some point it's going to turn around and give us the biggest green candle. Doesn't matter though, right? Because then you're guessing where you think it's going to bounce at. And if you've done that so far this morning, you've been wrong every single time. So uh, rather not do that. CHNR is still halted here at 267%. So we shall see. DTSS is also still dipping, right? We also say this every morning. When your stock pops immediately at the open, you know it's going to dip at some point, right? For now, the question is, can we stay above this pivot at $10, right? If DTSS can stay above this level, this would be good, right? So again, hold this bottom, hold that bottom, and then let's get some greenies. Alrighty. So if we can stay above $10, that's a good thing for DTSS. DTSS. No, 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 no. I bet you Justin FOMO'd already. I know it. He's FOMO'd already. Na, 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 na. Alrighty. I went out of this swing play. Yep, knew it. So yeah, just watch for that $10 level. Watch for that double bottom. Ready for DTSS. Children's Place is still above $30, so hopefully stays above 30. Hopefully stays above 30. AULT. Okay. Is it unhalted? Yeah, it's unhalted. Dang. Yep. 280%, 290%. $294. CHNR. Good day, glowing. Good day, good day. 409, 297%. Here comes 300%. There goes 300, 302, 316, 320, 325. My goodness. Sheesh. Did we feel it on the chrono there? We did. We did. Oh yeah, it's unsalted and it's on fire. Right, so there goes 450, 340%. 350%. 354%, 360%. Yup. Gone skis. Gone skis. Gone skis. And then quick pop and quick dump. Not that it's yeah, so 480 and then back down to 420. It said whoever took out the 30th and the 31st from can't take the 14th. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh yeah, it is a shorter month. A shorter month. Good morning, Crystal. Ayo, it's halted up again. Yeah, it's halted at $34. My goodness. The Children's Place is the store to be, guys. Look at that thing go. Oh my goodness. Have you ever been? Yeah, like they. Anyways, let me not say anything that will incriminate. Yeah. Any news on this? Yeah, they have news. Let me see if I can pull up an article for you here. La, 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 la. So this isn't the one or maybe this is the one we read earlier. So Children's Place stock pops 21% after investor group takes majority stake. So, yep, there's a lot more to that, but yeah, there is news for the stock. So yep, it's halted at $34. Is it allowed 100 feet from that place? Uh uh uh. Let's go. Yeah, Captain Hook has been on fire. On fire. On fire. Again, if you haven't been to the Momentum Scanner channel in Discord, you're missing out. You're truly missing out. Look at that thing go, guys. 400% now. 400%. If you haven't been to the Momentum Scanner channel in Discord, you're missing out, right? Yes we spam these stocks. Let me pull up some screenshots for you here, okay? Pull up some screenshots for you here. La la. Don't worry, 13 Moons is gonna miss it though. 13 Moons, and then he's gonna cry. But Blaze, why? How come? How come? How come every time? Cry, 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 cry. Don't worry, 13 Moons. We're gonna roast you all day today. All day today. All day today. Yeah, you brother. So again, here's Captain Hook, the only captain, right? So again, some of you guys are in earlier, right? But you're not spamming it in Discord. I'm just showing again, the bot that's spamming it. That's all, right? So again, CHNR has been getting spammed in Discord in the Momentum Scanner this morning, right? Spam, 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 spam. Hey guys, pay attention, right? And there it is, $5.55. So there goes 570. That thing is on fire. Oh my goodness. There goes 460%. 460. My name isn't Titin Woods. No, that's good, Mario. That's good. That's good. That means you can maybe catch the next one. You know? On fire ye. Yeah, for new financing. La 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 la. Yeah, bankruptcy play. Yeah, take your monies and run. La 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 la. Sending it. Okay, let me take a look at the scanner here. What else is moving? Oh yeah, that thing is going for $6, isn't it? There it is, 500%. Yep. If you're holding CHNR, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chatties. Are we halted? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Yes, yes, yes. Love it. Well done, Virgo. Gail, well done. VDog, T, well done. Well done, guys. Glowing? No? It's okay. Next one. Eddie? Yes. Love it, Eddie. Love it. Yeah, so halted at $6.15. Futures. Yes, yes, Derek. Congratulations. When it on halts, don't worry about that for now. Yeah, see, entry is 515, 510. Okay, let me take a look here. No, 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 no. Yeah, no, it's the bid is still at $6.15. So you're gonna have to react quicker than most, but yeah, it's still $1 higher, right? So just be ready to exit. Be ready. Maybe place a stop loss so you don't have to worry about managing stuff. 608, $6. Still plenty of time for the bid to change though. So hmm, interesting. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Sound is at 324 now. Yeesh. Yeesh. What happened to 13 moons? How come they're not crying anymore? Not crying anymore. They got bad. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Anyways, Children's Place is unhalted, guys, and it's at $35 now. 140%. It broke $10. Okay. Yeah, looks like it did. Yeah, it did. So I mean, so can somebody look at this and tell me what's changed, guys? Look at this and tell me what's changed. Right? We just explained what we wanted to see, right? For NNOX or anything else. What's changed, guys? What's changed? What do you see? Right? What's changed? What's changed? Above the blue line one. What else? What else? What else? One of the things we explained, right? Green candles. Nope, that's not it. That's not it. Double bottom, right? Exactly. So when we see these things crashing from the open, we've said it earlier, right? We need to see a double bottom or we need to see a higher low. If not, you're trying to catch the bottom and you might not catch it, right? What's the difference between this, like, yeah, we're dipping at the open, we're dipping and then we go up once, we crash below, no double bottom, no higher low, we go up again, right? What's the difference now is we created a bottom and it looks like a double bottom, it also kind of looks like a higher low, doesn't it? Right there. So this is a little bit different now. If we can stay above $9.40, the only other thing you want to see now for this stock though is to clear this 200. Because the last time we went up, we failed at the 200. What are we failing at now? We're failing exactly at the 200 again, right? So we were trying. Well, we have some higher lows, some double bottoms, right? Some nice green candles. We also need to break out of that range now. So things are trying to change. So that's good. That's good. Alrighty. Alrighty. So JXJT is still selling off, right? So until this one decides to give us a higher low, a double bottom as well, it's trying, isn't it? Trying. Luna's at $6. Oh my goodness. Luna's a good stock, right? So we wanted to see a double bottom here, but it never quite did it, right? So another thing you can add to your toolbox is what Justin mentioned, right? So when you're looking for that double bottom, another thing you can look for is, okay, yes, I'm looking for the double bottom, but I also need that thing to curl back up, the curl, right? I want to see that thing hit a double bottom or a higher low, but I want to see it also curl back above the blue line, above the 9, above the kernel, something, right? Some sign of like momentum. You know what I mean? Otherwise, we just fail and then we go back down. So, yep, look at that. It's failing at the 200, right? So again, the double bottom is there, but now we're failing at the 200. So we need to clear that little white line you see at the top there. Luna. A la Luna. What a nice stock. What a nice stock. Okay, look at that beautiful demand zone. All pre-market. That thing just sat there at $5. It's consolidated. Consolidated. Ooh, look at that, guys. Oh my days. Look at this. 600%, guys. 600%. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that thing said buy. Oh my goodness, and it's not stopping. They go 780, 650%. There goes $8 incoming. Three, two, not yet. And there it is. There's $8. Wow. Do I FOMO? Well, I mean, are we halted up? No, not yet. My goodness. Yeah, no, I'd be careful there at $8. Yeah, that thing went crazy. For those who troll and say, "Let's go." Hi there, right? Again, when was this thing getting spammed? A lot of you guys got in earlier though in pre-market, around $1, $2, blah blah blah, right? I don't want to go back and pull up those screenshots because again, a lot of the members were spamming this early on, right? But then also it was getting spammed around these prices, right? $3, $3, $3, $3, $3, $3, $3, right? And there goes 840. Look at that thing go. Oh my days, right? My goodness. I'll just watch you guys. Yep. Yeah, no, if you're gonna FOMO, yeah. They oh my goodness, look at 880. They go 700%, guys. 700%. Oh my goodness. That's where it's going. I mean, at this point, why stop, you know? Oh my days, when these things run, they run. When they run, they run. What a week it's been. What a week it's been. Here's the for the day, Justin. What a run. What a run. What a run. Wow. My goodness. Again, congratulations. A lot of you guys were holding this. A lots of you guys were holding this. So congratulations. Alrighty. You want to know what else is pumping now? Look at that. Children's Place. $38. Children's Place is the bomb. Is the bomb. Seems to be an inch closer to your keyboard. Your stroke sounds aggressive. well, well. Anyway, so it looks like we're dipping now. So a high of $8.90, almost 8.85, and then dip skis. So again, please pay yourself on the way up. Don't let this thing go and halt in the abyss. Sympathy play. Sympathy plays or anything that gain momentum, honestly, right? These things are all random. This is a China play, so maybe other China sympathy plays, but these things are all just so random. Na, 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 na. That's the issue with that one. Yeah, so Children's Place is halted up again at $38. Yeah, GFAI. Yeah. Yep, yep, yep. Na 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 na. Yeah, 3803. Okay, cool. You get a thrust. You get a thrust, then Dennis. You get a thrust. What are we doing here? So DTSS. Maybe a bit of a bounce there at some point. Yeah. What I kind of like though for this one here. What I kind of like here now. For NNOX is that at the very least NNOX is getting is giving us double bottoms, right? It's giving us double bottoms NNOX. So we again, that almost looks like a weird cup and handle, a higher low, right? Which is what we want to see, right? That thing needs to clear that 200 though. And then Justin is going to celebrate. So we need to clear the 200. Bray Keats, good morning, William. What time after the market is considered to be a market settled? Oh, ooh, guys, look at that. Look at that, guys. Ooh, look at that. Look at that pop. I bet you it's someone in the chat that FOMO. Ooh, look at this, guys. But what happened, guys? All you had to do was wait for a double bottom, guys. All you had to do was wait for a double bottom at the open and a curl. Oh my goodness. But why? We need to close above. We need to close above that 200 there. So we have about another few seconds left on that candle. And then the next candle is going to pop. Ooh. So let's see if this candle can hold above. Alrighty. It was Tesh. I bet you it was Tesh. I bet you it was Tesh. Ooh. Anyways, $10.40. Moving moving the same. Interesting. Interesting. Ooh, guys. Ooh. 1046. 1048. Can we break 1050 here, Justin? Because I know there's another resistance spot at 1050 here. 1050 resistance. The nice VWAP and the pivot, 1050. So we might struggle there too. By the way, CHNR is halted down. If you're holding a bag in this, it's because you're greedy. It's because of greediness, you know? Greedy, 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 greedy. 1 minute, Sahil. Alrighty, so let's go back to NNOX here. We need to break above 1050 and stay above 1050 there next. But from $3, guys, from $2, $3, all the way to almost $9 is impressive. So you shouldn't be red on that thing. You shouldn't be in there when it's halted down unless you want to, unless you have a lot of room, and then that's okay. Because that thing can always consolidate and then go back up. It doesn't mean you have to lose the gains though. Alrighty. Yeah, so 1050 here for NNOX is a bit of a problem. Yeah. Yeah, SOUN is bouncing. Okay, there you go. All right, so SOUN had to either break out or dip ski. So it looks like it decided to dip. There we go. Come on, give us that 1050. Just pop. Just pop. Just pop. Ho. I know I'm pronouncing it maybe worth a look. Okay, I'll take a look in a second. I just want to see what happens here at 1050. See if we fail or if we break out. Come on. Why is it stuck? Isn't it crazy though? Like, isn't it crazy how isn't it crazy how some of these stocks, you know, you look at them in pre-market and it's like, oh my goodness, this thing cannot stop. But it is pre-market though, less restrictions. Right? And then the market opens, it's like, oh my goodness. Snail. He did that on purpose, Virus. On purpose. On purpose. The stock wasn't even moving. It just had to say the name, you know. DTSS. Let's see if we can get a higher low. See if we can get a higher low there. Come on, NNOX. If you got into NNOX, type in yes in the chat. Okay, I'll take a look here. I'll take a look. If you're in NNOX, type in yes in the chat because we need some love. Here we go, guys. 1055, 1060, 1065, 1070. Come on, Tom. Oni, come on, Wes. Come on, Cedrico. Come on, Lion. Let's go. Give us 970. Come on, you got in at 957. Love it. Love it. Again, what's the difference here, guys? What's the difference? 1077. What's the difference? The difference is a double bottom. It's a higher low. It's a break above the last pivot resistance level, right? So we're getting higher highs and higher lows. That is sweet. right? So when the market opens, you don't have to be like, oh my goodness, but I want to FOMO, but it was pumping. It wants to go already. It wants to go. Look at this. I bet you someone FOMO right there. It's like, oh my goodness, it's starting to pump. No, it's not. And then it crashed, right? You're better off waiting and waiting for these double bottoms, right? You know what the beauty of getting in on a double bottom or higher low is? You know what the beauty of that is if you buy a double bottom, right? If you buy a double bottom or you buy a higher low, you know exactly what to do when something goes wrong, right? You're like, okay, you know what? I bought the damn double bottom. If it goes below that level, I just get rid of it. Okay, cool, right? If you buy this thing when it's pumping at a random spot and it drops quickly like that, well, first of all, you're already confused. So our next resistance is closer to 1090 there. So can we get there already, please? Can we get there already? It goes 1080. No. Okay. Sounds good. You want to know the next stock that looks interesting is the one that's on the watch list, guys. It looks very ugly. This is gonna look very ugly. Okay. We've talked about this one. VLCN. VLCN. It's trying to give us a double bottom there. Right, so these guys did a split last week, right? So split last week. I think we scalped this one initially, but then look at the daily, right? I don't know if they're going to protect that $1 level because they just regained compliance yesterday, right? Look at this daily chart. That looks very ugly, doesn't it? That thing has been crashing to the abyss, 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 to the abyss. So I wonder if they're going to protect this $1 level. There goes NNOX, guys, $11. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, guys. Here we go, 1106, guys. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Come on. Congratulations if you made monies. Align, well done. Right? So hopefully you guys are seeing that you don't have to chase these stocks at the open, please. Don't have to chase these things at the open. Right? Wait for that consolidation. This one clearly showed us signs of wanting to go back up. Clearly. Right? Look at that pop. Yep. Look at $11 now. 11.20. Oh my goodness, guys. 11.26. So again, don't go red, please. Don't go red. Don't go red, please, and thank you. Do not go red. Do not go red. Do not go red. Yeah, so we will keep an eye on VLCN. The bigger time frames look ugly. So let's see if these smaller time frames start to look better. We need to get back above $1.10 here for VLCN. Alrighty. So if they can find a way to protect the dollar, that would be a good thing. That thing goes below $1 and then problems. Ready? So let's see. And this one can go from $1 to $10 too. That would be cool. Anyways, moving on. There goes 1150, by the way. They need above $1 after yeah. I thought I saw a filing. For some reason I thought I saw a filing. Maybe that was for a different thing then. Yeah. Well, maybe that's more incentive for them to protect it. Either way, meh. Let's see. La. Look at the option channel. Okay, I'll take a look in a second. Take a look. I would take a look ski. There's another one going off there. So it looks like Children's Place is dipping now. Yep. And JMIA, yeah, it's funny and funny enough. I was looking at this one the other day. I was looking at that one the other day. Tough. Oh, the prayers. Yes. Yeah. Kevin, what's your question? What's your question? Let me know. Anyways, hopefully you took some profits on this one, guys. Please, hopefully you took some profits on NNOX. What I would like to see now is another higher low. Alrighty, it doesn't mean it's dead. If you took profits at 1150 above 11, you're happy, better than 1050, right? But if you got in closer to the bottom and you're like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a second to see if we stay above the 200, that's fine too. That's completely okay as well. Completely okay as well. Love it. Na 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 na. It's dumping. Yeah, I mean, yeah. People have to pay themselves, you know. Don't diamond hand these things, please. Don't diamond hand these stocks. Otherwise, you just end up, you know, doing things that you're not. Anyways, oh, what's happening here? Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at VLCN, right? Slowly curling. Slowly curling. Ooh. Okay, that daily looks ugly though. Wait for it to become Amazon of Africa. Back home, I know, team. Don't ever buy the hype. Don't ever buy the hype. Don't ever buy the hype, please. Yeah, so let's see VLCN can give us a higher low, right? Just something. Just continue to, you know, curl up. Because that daily chart looks very ugly. But yeah. Again, where is that coming from, guys? Where is this coming from? Do you see the same pattern that we've been talking about all morning? Where is this coming from? It's coming from a higher low that looks like a weird double bottom, but it's really just a higher low, right? Higher low, higher low, higher low. Guess what? Pop. Higher low, higher low, higher low. Guess what? Pop. Right? So when you're looking at these stocks, start to pay attention to the higher lows, the double bottoms. Right? If a stock is crashing, don't just say, "Oh, but where's support?" This is why, you know, I sometimes have a hard time telling people where support is. To me, it doesn't matter. Like, you know, when you're asking for these levels, it doesn't always matter, right? To some extent, you have to kind of look and see what the stock is trying to do, see what other people are doing, right? If it looks like it's building a base, cool. If it's still crashing, I can have a level in mind, like, okay, I think support is at this price. If we get there and it's not holding, congratulations, it's not working. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on this thing. Still has a lot of work to do. If it goes from red to green, I think that'll be cool. Righty. So NNOX is retesting, right? We have to come back and retest, of course, right? So this level here now for NNOX, let me clone this. If we can stay above this level for NNOX, we're fine. Alrighty. If we can stay above $10.30 ish, we're fine for NNOX. Right? We break out, we come back for the retest. Break out, come back for the retest. DWAC is under 50 now? Really? No wonder we haven't talked about it today. There we go. Oh yeah, perfect. Can I take a look at SI? Okay, I will. I will. SIEN. Wasn't this one of these Zach Morris names? What's your position, Kimbella? I need the juice. You know, give me the details. What do you think about you got in at 16 cents, Kevin? I'll take a look. Yeah, so let me know where your question is on this one, and I'll take a look. It had a nice pop, and it's dipping. So Let's see if we can stay above 34 cents there. Why do you think Tesla is pumping, Ray? Tesla is pumping because Elon took a 20% stake in the company. Elon bought the dip. So ROI. So you got in at 16 cents. You're right in that position. So what do I think about this now? Well, your hope is that we stay above this level right there. Um, so watch for 1270. If we can stay above 1270, Kevin, you should be okay. Alrighty, you let that thing go too far before you asked. Virus, thank you for the super chat. Can we celebrate options channel? Fine, I will go look. I will go look what's happening in the options channel. What's happening? What's happening? That's how much money you made, Vance? Woo! Tell me that's real monies. Where's la 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 CLSK la 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 options just wow that thanks for the let's go Vance. Oof. Vance to the moon. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Well done. Let's go. Thank you very much, Virus. My goodness. My goodness. Let's go. My goodness. Yeah, Vance has been spamming that holding for lift for the last few days though. Um, and being in those options. Let's go. My niece. Good morning, Troy. Yeah. So for ROI, mm, yeah, that thing went all. Yeah. See, you got in at 16, so right there, and then it popped all the way to 18, and then came back down. As soon as that thing broke below the blue line, it had a huge problem. Yeah, Kevin, just make sure. Let's see if we can stay above. Already. That's a little bit annoying. Anyways, it doesn't look like we're really holding, does it? Right. So this is what I mean by levels. Like, yes, we might have levels in mind, but you need to see that thing curling. Right. You need to see it curling. You need to see it curling. You need to see it curling. Alrighty. You need to see curling. La, la, la. You know, it's funny. I always get water, and then I sit here with the damn water, and I never drink it. You know. Can I share my thoughts on DWAC? Of course. XRP. Wow, DWAC really lost all of it. Lost all of it. This is why, like, I misunderstood the question earlier when I read that someone said they wanted to buy DWAC as a long term play. This is why I was a bit concerned. DWAC is going to keep going up and down. Like, it's going to get back above $50. I'm not sure where your position is, so it's hard for me to. I hate that it's at the lows of the day, right? Hate that it's at the lows of the day here. So, just be careful. Let's see. Perfect. La, 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 la. Penny stock moving up, Nairo. What penny stock? It just meeting in 2 days. Yeah. Hopefully they finally get the merger done, DP. For now, I would just keep scalping it intraday. Scalp intraday and then move on. What's trying? Oh yeah, it is trying, isn't it? Yeah. I mean, if this thing can find a way to go from red to green, I think that would be vibes rusty, right? So that thing needs to get above $1.20 and then give us a higher low and then just send it after that. Just send it after that VLCN. Just send it, right? So again, split. The float is 300,000 on this stock, by the way, which seems a little bit ridiculous, doesn't it? Um, which seems very ridiculous, very ridiculous, right? Right. So the float according to TradingView is 250,000 shares. That seems a little bit ridiculous, but yeah, it needs to get above $1.20 and then give us a higher low, and then go from there. Exactly, Samuel. Right? Or you lose your gains. Exactly. Right. Exactly. Don't be greedy with these stocks. So yeah, no. Again, I just we've had this one on the watch list from the split list, right? And it's been crashing for quite some time. So if that thing can stay above $1, that might be a good thing. Let's go, Vance. Come on, come on, come on. Hell yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Let's go. That's amazing. Let's go, Dan. Dan, longer term SPY, 530s, 740. Oh my days. We need to call the police. I agree. We need to call the FBI at this point. You in the building? What building? What building are you in? I'm just quickly looking at the scanner here. See what we can find. Scanner. Mm, la, 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 la. La, 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 la. Okay. Here we go. Open to different streams of income. See what I did there? Yes. Yes, Dan. Straight to jail. Straight to jail. Anyways, there's a nice little block at $1.16 for VLC and there, so it's gonna need to break above that level. Luna is trying to curl up the VWAP. 550. Stay above. Children's Place is going back to the abyss, guys. No diamond hands. It doesn't matter what it is. No diamond hands. Plan the trade. Trade the plan. DWAC is slowly creeping back towards 50. So yep. So looks like a double bottom for DWAC. 48.50 double bottoms. 48.50 double bottoms. La, la, la. They had no choice. They really had no choice, The double bottom, yeah, for CHNR. 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 DWAC is back above 50. So, yep. Double bottoms. 50-50. Double bottoms. Okay, thank you. That's funny. What's going on, Musty? The last 3 days, you need what? You need what? This is not the time to ignore my A win. It's up 20%. Well, I hope it keeps going. A win. What is it doing? 10 cents? 14%, Musty. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. VLCN is actually showing some consistency since we talked about it. So, yep. Hopefully that was the bottom. Hopefully that was the bottom. Still need that thing to get above $1.20 though, and then go from red to green. Then I think we will believe. Red to green is when that beliefs comes in. For now, it's hope. Psychology cycle. This is where we are for VLCN. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? This cycle. Where are we? We're in the disbelief to hope. Disbelief to hope is where that thing is at. So that thing needs to get above $1.20 and then stay above $1.20 and then better. What's your question, Biker, for JX? What is your question? Yeah, no, if you have a ticker symbol and you have a question, please ask. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm looking at. Are you looking for a curl? What are you looking for? See, this is another one, guys. This is another one, right? Market opens, what happens? What are we looking for? We're looking for double bottoms and higher lows. Do you see that happening here? No, this is a bottom. This is a new bottom. This is a new bottom. It kind of tried here, actually. It kind of tried, but that breakout is equally as important. Like the break above the previous bottom is also very important, right? And then we made a new bottom, and now it's trying again. So let's see if it can stay above. Alrighty, if that thing can stay above 380 there, that would be good. It really is trying, so that's good. Off a demand zone, it goes 420. Yeah, it is starting to curl there. So the next resistance is very high, unless we fail at the 50 here at 435. So it is trying. These candles look a bit more productive. Usually when I see massive green candles when the stock is still weak, I'm like, that looks a little bit sus. When it's slowly curling, that's actually a good thing. So the 50, and then you're looking for that previous high. Let's go. Let's see. You win a lot of 13G filings, of course. What's Luna at? Luna's at 610. Love it. Nice. Love it. Love it. What's the bit in the ass there? Looks like, yeah, that was a really sweet double bottom, by the way, Justin. Sweet double bottom on CH. Look at that, right? So these double bottoms are working out really well today, guys. Really well, right? Today is the day of double bottoms. Look at that. Double bottom, 480, pop, 580. Sweet. Send me my email. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. No, most likely tomorrow, Peter. Most likely tomorrow. No, 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 no. Come on and do it. Yeah, you have a double top at $6 then. So double bottom to double tops, $6. Yeah. Oh yeah, you actually mentioned that. Yeah, needs to break $6. Yep. Yeah, $6. Come on, strings 5.99. That was a pretty sweet double bottom. La 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 la. Uh, let's see. Target. La, 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 la. Yeah, Jumia is back with a little bit of. Well, it was. Yeah, that thing touched $6 again and then came back down. Sweet. Yeah, 36. Yeah, it's a pretty big. That's a pretty big wall, isn't it? Oh wow. VLCN is actually done quite well, guys, since we mentioned it. So it looks like it's hitting a double top though. That's the market open level. So $1.18 is what we need to break actually. $1.18 is your big resistance. The Amazon of Africa. Yeah, I've heard that so many times, and I'm like, oh my goodness. Anyways, yeah, so $1.18 is the level that VLCN needs to break above. It's the market opening level, pre-market high, market day high. So if that thing clears 118, it could be fun. Let's see. Come on, $6, Justin. Come on, $6. You can buy a bush. Oh my goodness. Virus, how do you know about that? How? How? Why these guys buy shares if there's a reverse split coming? Can it pump to $1 without it? Um, yeah, perception too. They wanted 320 more. Oh wow, okay. Hmm. And so did you make the 320? Maybe though they haven't counted the 250 though. Like maybe they'll still give you a pass because the that they haven't seen the extra 250 because the day isn't closed yet, Peter. I know nothing. No virus. How do you know about bushmeat? Is what I want to know. No, Dan. Yes. How the hell do you know? That's all I want to know. That's my only question for you. I got to walk away for a minute. Yeah, $6 too much in the coming days. Yeah. Yes, yes. No, it's not, Vance. But I don't know what to say. Oh Lord. Anyways, anyways, you seen the documentary about it? Oh my days. Oh lordy. Yeah, 13G filings, musty. Yeah. Mm. Hopefully that's a good thing. Hopefully they can bump it. How much time do they have though before the listing is the question. If they have like 6 months, musty, maybe then that's a good thing. There's hope. Maybe there's hope. Hmm. I'm not saying anything, virus. Ran in addition. Anyways, Coin is getting slapped. Wow. Okay. NNOX options channel getting interesting. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Calendar. Um, um, try to la, 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 la. La, 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 la. Okay. Cool. Yep. Yeah, no, it broke down and then it's struggling a little bit. So maybe the demand zone. La, la, la. Convert warrants. No, exactly. Like Mixi, like all pump and dumps. Like 13, like, especially the ones that are coming out now. These companies know what they're doing and they're all pump and dumps. So, yeah, there's nothing new there. Nothing new. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, please and thank you. I don't know if we made it to 100. Yeah. We make it. So again, smash a like. We haven't made it yet, guys. What are we doing? We're slacking still. So smash a like if you haven't already, please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbolt. Come join us in Discord. Come on, 7 more people smash a like. Let's get to 100. Come on, come on. Just thank you very much, John. Thank you. La, 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 la. Thank you, thank you. Did coin double bottom? Let me take a look. Yeah, even a strike must be a coin. Coinbase. Kind of. Kind of. Kind of. Coin is back to 168. That's wild. This thing moves like a maniac. Well done, John. Yeah, as long as we don't go below 166 virus. Yep. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. The only concern, the only thing that's concerning with these weird double bottoms is you have those wicks. Like if that thing was able to find a base right here, virus, that would have been really good. But the fact that some of these candles closed down there is a bit concerning, even though we have this bottom right there. But yeah, no, for now, as long as it stays above 166. 166. Now I'm trying to think like what happens into we have a long weekend, obviously. I'm just trying to think of like what happens into the long weekend. Does crypto usually run over the long weekend? Does the market sell off into the long weekend? I think so. Let's see. Yeah, yeah. On or before March 20, the company will implement a reverse stock split in a range of 1 to 10, with a target price of $7 per share. That's not good. Yeah, no, that's what I'm thinking of. Virus, like, is because really that's all that matters, right? Like, will crypto sell off into the weekend? Does it usually sell off into the weekend? Does it, you know? Search. Okay. 48. What's this thing doing? Still dipping here? Uh, this one's dipping back to retest that double bottom, isn't it? Retest the double bottom. Okay, I see why. Let's see. La, la, la. What else do we have on the list of things here? List of stonks. And then edit this. Let's see if we can stay above. See if these candles can get back above 5. Come on, give us the damn bounce already. It's trying. It's trying. Playing around. Give us a bounce of the VWAP here. I think he's just playing with 5 to 510. 5 to 510. And then it goes back down, and then goes back up, and then goes back down, and then goes back up. Come on, give us a pop already. My goodness. Let's see here. 75%. Well done. Well done. Drink. Thank you. That thing bounced and then said, "Screw it, screw it." Unbelievable. That was a tiny bounce. I mean, it's back to five. Like technically, the candles are not closing below the range, but it's pretty annoying when you have momentum stocks like these ones because they go up and down a lot, right? So which is annoying. I'm learning a lot from this channel. Thank you, biker. Let's go. That's the goal. That's the goal. The goal is for you to learn a lot. That's what we want. Please, that's what we want. Unbelievable. Yeah, that Rumble stream was gives me issues with like Awin. Oh, Musty, come on, behave. Is it at 20 cents yet? Yeah, no. The I need to close out this Rumble stream. I think it's becoming a little bit annoying with yeah. Yeah. Is giving you money back. Hopefully, hopefully. Yeah, no. VLCN looks like we just need to break above that 118 level. Yeah, it's good now. Yeah. There we go. You're still holding that thing, Bronx? Oh my goodness. What do you think of JXJT? You're thinking about getting in, Jason? Let me take a look. It's been a while since we looked at this one. Yeah, look at that, right? Like it's giving us those higher lows. Only concern is that it needs to break above. So I would give it a few more seconds here to see if we can actually close candles above $4.33, Jason. So see that resistance right there? It keeps failing at 430 ish, and it just failed again. Look at that. That thing just failed at 430 and went to the abyss. So this level right there, see that left hand side fail and then drop, same resistance right there and then drop, right? So you want to see that thing close above 430 first before you make that decision. Him viewed is a good thing. Unbelievable. There we go. Children's, you watching Children's for a curl? Well, okay. Jeff is here. Who is working? The Apprentice, Peter, The Apprentice. Alvaro, every there's been an after hour runner. Don't worry. Today, let it be a VLCN. Okay, let it be VLCN. Send it. NNOX is finding a bit of support. Same support. 950. So hopefully it stays above that double bottom. What's the other stupid one doing? It's bouncing, isn't it? Like it's holding that level, isn't it? Um, no, let's not all buy that thing. So there you go. So it looks like it's. I mean, it's trying. Right? Trying. Trying. There goes 520. So it looks like that double bottom which we wanted. We wanted that 570, but then we had a few of those candles go below 570. But technically they all closed above 470. Sorry, technically they all closed above 470, right? Which is good. Okay, let's see that fix. Anyways, yeah, I know it's holding a triple bottom there, Justin. Right, CHNR. So hopefully it stays above. It's pretty annoying actually. So yeah, $6. Hopefully, as long as these candles keep closing above 470, as long as they keep closing above 470, there's a chance. If we go below 470, we close below 470, then it's done skis. So for now, it still looks okay, right? That triple bottom is what we want for the signal. Here we go. Come on, 520, 525. Give us 530 already. Slacker. There's 530. Give us more. 536. Slacker. Unbelievable. So technically, again, that these criminals they just had to dip below, but then they held the support. So yeah, I know Kimbella. It's annoying. It actually is very annoying. Very annoying. And then look at that pop and then drop back down. 20 years ago, Blitz got halted, but we didn't have Discord for signal. Rubbish. There goes 540. Come on. There it is, 545. Just break out already. Just go boom skis. Yeah, no, the other one has done really well. So congratulations, right? Congratulations. It's finally halted up now. So congrats. So breakout retest and then boomski 78 cents SIEN. So Sintra, that sounds like a movie, like sounds like a let's call it that. Let's call it Sintra. Sintra. Portugal. Portugal. Sintra. Congratulations, stuff. Well done. Yeah, no, for VLC and VLCN needs to break out. Like that 118, that high, it's gonna need to break out. Break out, get above 120, stay above 120, and then it's then to the moon. So it looks like we hit 45 and then backed off for CH. Well done. Do I think PYXS will hit $7 by March? Ooh, that's an interesting question. Let me go take a look. Do I think PY? This is the stock that like Pfizer had a whole bunch of shares in. Big investment from Pfizer. But then, I mean, it's coming back. Are you back to green now, Jojo? Let me know. Yeah, we talked about this one back in last year, right? When they had that big investment from Pfizer, the stock went crazy. It went from like $1.10 all the way up to $7, right? And then sold off. So now it's going again. What's your entry price, Jojo? You better be green. If you're not, then yeah, you better be green. It's done really well. The last, like the entire year, it's been creeping up. So it looks way nicer, way safer now. So uh, yeah, let me know what your entry price is. Minus, okay, so you are 542 and you'll be green. Okay, you're really close. You were so close this morning. Don't let this thing go back to the abyss, please. Please, please, please. If you were down $600 at 530, I can only imagine how red you were. You were at $1.40. So please don't let it go back down there again. Maybe pick a minimum take profit level now, right? Low of the day is $5. I wouldn't let this thing go below $5. So yeah, it looks really good. It's been creeping up, so that's nice. Hopefully, it keeps going. Yeah, I'm glad you came back though. That's good because that's really good. Really good. Really, really good. Amen. 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 Is responding to recent voluntary Chapter 11 news. Okay. Not good. Not good. How much are you guys making per week trading stocks? I'm just curious to. Yeah, I mean, it depends. It depends. And I wouldn't worry about how much anybody makes because in the market, there are people making a lot of money, there are people making very little money, there are people making no monies. So I wouldn't be, unhalted. Yeah, I would just try and find something that fits you. Like I need to make this much money for this because I need to do this and I need to do that. I need, stuff like that. Don't worry about anybody else. Don't worry about anybody else. Because people make some ridiculous monies, you know? Yeah, yeah. Depends on a whole lot. On a whole lot. A whole lot. Where's Musty? Musty's been spamming AWIN. So let me go take a look at AWIN. AWIN the penny stock. Ooh, 11. Nice, Musty. Still need a big squeeze though. Big squeeze. 120. Have a wonderful day as well, Peter. Be safe. And per day, my goodness, that's impressive, John. Congratulations. Yeah, you're gonna make that monies back in no time. Then gonna make the monies in no time. 90 cents. That's impressive. 400%. Isn't it crazy how common it is these days now? It's off. 400% here, 400% there, 500% there. Everything just goes up 400%. Impressive. Let's see. Kodai, what broke? VLCN broke 118. Oh yeah, nice. I really want to see that thing above $1.20 though. I know 118 was the double top, but I really want to see it above $1.20 and then consolidate above $1.20. Yeah, that thing is a monster. If that thing can go above $1.20 and then go from red to green, I think there's really something there. With that float, there's something there. Something there, VLCN. Coin is over. Oh my goodness, that means Bitcoin is getting insiders in it. Actually, no, not really. Coin is overly extended though. Coin runs too much all the time. 430% for CIEN. Sintra. Sintra. Forex? No, I do not. Futures? Yes. Okay. Forex. Yeah, you know what I do watch a lot on Instagram though? It's those Forex reels. Uh, uh, like all of these videos we pull up on stream for the most part. These are like Forex things, like stuff like this. So, yeah. These are Forex videos. Those are your favorite, Roger? Yeah, those videos are pretty damn funny. Pretty dang funny. There's so many of them. So funny. Anyways, yeah, no, interesting. It looks like it wants to curl. Children's place, okay. Yeah, no, Jason, this is why we wanted to wait for that thing to come back down, right? Because they're true. They are true, Peter. Yep. So Jason, watch for a little bit of support like above 350-ish. Right? If you can stay above 350, 360, maybe that's not too bad. Alrighty, and then please have a stop loss. Alrighty. Oh yeah, this one died. Like we had a little bit of a bounce, tiny itsy bitsy bounce, and then went to the abyss. You guys meet every day, King? Yeah, yeah. Look at that thing go, 440%. Oh my days, that's impressive. Where do you find these videos? People send them to me, or they're just on Instagram? Mm, yeah, we are live every day for the most part, and in Discord 24/7. So you can join us in Discord as well. There goes another double bottom bounce at 950 for NNOX. I see plays more than I see my wife's. That is true. That is true. You're not wrong. Yep. 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 That's a good thing though. Virus, oh come on. Your wife drives you away. There's a difference. Takes a midday cookie break. Yes, cookie breaks are important. Yep. Yes. Yeah, looks like we're dipping on some of these names too. Yeah, VVLCN. That thing really needs to like get back above $1.20 and then stay above $1.20, and then I think it looks better. But I mean, recovering from the bottom is not too bad either. So I guess for now, let's see what happens as the day goes on. Yeah, Pizza has a wife's. Uh, Still didn't go through the channels yet. Okay. Karma. Yeah. No, you wouldn't touch it? No, that's okay. Let's see if that thing can gain some momentum. At the end of the day, at some point, I think the thesis there is maybe they, with that low float, maybe they support it at $1 before they get a delisting notice. You know, uh, but yeah, we'll see. I guess it is a risky play though, especially with that ugly looking daily chart. Yeah, sound is bouncing. Let me take a look. We'll come back. Sound. Yeah, sound is bounced, so that's good. Higher lows always good. Demand zones always good. So yeah, back to 340. Not yet. If breaks $1, and then it could go to $1.25. Okay, hopefully, hopefully. Let's see. I'm TVGN. Okay, I think you've asked for it a few times. I just haven't looked. TVGN. That's because again, when someone spams a ticker in the chat, I don't really like. I don't I just for the most part just ignore. That thing is halted up 300% with 48,000. Ooh, SPAC. Okay. Wow. Okay. Was this on the list of us? Let me take a look here. What's the catalyst is what I'm looking for. So TVGN. What's the catalyst there? Is my question. Why is it up 300%? Hmm. It looks like a brand new. It looks like a brand new SPAC too. Brand new SPAC. So I'm not sure why it has so much boomski candles. So many boomski candles. Oh wow! Look at this. How's that not halted? 500%. How the hell is that not halted? It is halted. Now it's halted. Oh my days. I think said had an agreement with the partner. It says John. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Um, let's see. Mm. Are you not entertained, tough? Come on. La, 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 la. In stock general, thank you, Dan. Uh, business combination. Okay, there's a DL. Okay, that makes a lot of sense then. Thank you. Thank you very much. Business combination. So, yeah, that is actually good news then. Yeah. So business combination. Yeah, I was just surprised because that wasn't on the list there. La 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 la. Those guys have warrants too, so if the stock is halted, you can still play with the warrants. TVGN W. The warrants. La, la, la. Redemption. Oh wow. Yep, there it is. Convertible notes. Yep. Hopefully this wakes up all the other SPACs. No, wait for the pullback if you are. Yeah, also be very careful. Like this thing has super low volume. The volume is 48,000 shares, 50,000 shares, right? So I would be very careful with that because SPACs are fun when they pump, when they drop. You leave with nothing. Even your underwear, you don't even take that with you. 420. Okay. But you can find news pretty quickly there. Yeah, you can, Dan. Yeah, you can. I like using it for that. I like using it for that. Oh, the spammers. Serious question. Can catalysts be a bunch of pumpers like deciding to pump a ticker? Um, so keep in mind, like, catalyst, no catalyst. What you have to ask yourself, like, the reason why stocks are pumping. Like, what's the reason why a stock pumps? Right? It's pumping because it has volume, right? Whether they have amazing news, it's pumping because it has volume. No news and it's moving, it's pumping because it has volume, right? So yeah, so then the answer to your question is yes. If you see a whole bunch of people on stock tweets pumping stuff and the volume kicks in, well, maybe that's your catalyst, right? It just has volume. Pumpers. Yeah. You just have to know that if you see someone else pumping it and it doesn't have a catalyst and it seems like a shady company, just make sure you take your profits quicker than, yeah. 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 If you see people pumping it, just make sure you run quicker. If there's a catalyst, there's a good chance that it's going to hold longer. If there's no catalyst, then it's going to crash quicker, right? If those guys leave. Yeah. So that thing is still halted. Yeah, $1.10, $1.10. Mm. No. You know, 109, 109. You FOMO right before the on halt. Oh my days. Let me pull up. There it goes, unhalted. So no need to look at that. Unhalted and then dropped. Hopefully that thing doesn't halt down and it immediately goes back up here. You're going to need that thing to close above that 98 cent level, above the 9, and then just go. Can you believe this thing just went from like 28 cents and then just kept going? Just kept going. Yeah, you're going to need that candle to close above the 9 there. Looks like it's going to close above the 9. Yep, they close it above. So you're still safe for now, even though your entry is a little bit higher there, Richard. Yeah. TVGN is a DSPAC. Yeah. For some reason they've. Oh, it looks like the name change has been completed as well. Huh, interesting. Yeah, ye. A lot of this week have without catalyst worthy. Exactly. That's what I'm saying though, right? Like the catalyst, you don't need a catalyst for stock to pop. Right? That doesn't have to be a catalyst. You just need the momentum. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no, the business combination is one thing, but then the name change looks like it's, yeah. I guess that's the news. Like business combination name change completed. Yeah, TVGN. Yeah. You're getting a buy, 41 cents. CUCURO. Okay. CURO. You're setting a buy for 41 cents. Okay. And this one looks like it's been consistently rising to higher lows. And then it failed at 50 cents for now. So that's your next big level. 41 is what you want. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. I'll leave this one up to you. In and out. What if you can't get in and out? You can ride the wave. Yeah, you just have to make sure that there's even if someone's pumping it, T, you just have to make sure that there's enough volume there, right? Because you can see that it's a group pump, but oh my goodness, look at that thing just dropped to 39. Oh wow, 38 for CURO. It's halted up again. Yeah, it's halted up again at 21. And so you're most likely failed. Yeah. Did they do an offering at $7 BMR? Not that I'm aware of. Let me see. Yeah, they did. Yeah, I don't know why we forgot that, but anyways, yeah, they did an offering at $7. That was 2 days ago, though. That's why 2 days ago. You're inside. Okay, okay, okay. Well, send it to 50 cents and above. Send it to 50 cents and above. What I would like to see though is for TVGN, as that thing is pumping. I'd like to see that thing bring up some bring up some new SPACs. Let it be a SPAC rally, you know? Give us some SPACs. Yeah, BuzzFeed is also doing really well. BZFFD, that one's doing really well. BuzzFeed. Maybe that's why Meta is gonna follow along. 90%. BuzzFeed. 34 cents. 34 cents. Oh yeah, that thing is sending at 110%. Meta squeeze. All right. La 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 la. 122%. That thing is going. There we go. Any chance to go back? What's your position in BGLC? They're so expensive. Yeah, that's because everybody knows that it's gonna crash. On your day trade, swing trade accounts, what's next? Let's go, Wes. Congratulations. Love it. Well done. Well done. Oh yeah, this one just went to the abyss, Justin, right? So, yep. Went to the abyss. Luna. Yeah, that's a really nice run up. Hopefully, it keeps going up like this until they we get news that they've landed on the moon or something. Yeah. So again, keep in mind you can that thing unhalted now. $21 back to 16. Crazy. Even SPACs are going up 300% now. Crazy, crazy. And it's halted at $16. Oh my goodness. I think that's the only thing we're missing now, though, is SPAC rallies. SPAC rallies are fun. If we can get a SPAC rally and then end this whole craziness. then that would be good. So yeah, BuzzFeed is still creeping up there, guys. 120%. Let's see here. Interesting. BuzzFeed. I can give you two. Does that work for you? Can I get 300%? Yeah, you need 300% actually to. Yep. I think they announced bankruptcy. I don't know if they've actually said they're delisting. Maybe they did. EXPR. That thing was up 20. That thing's up 30% today. Yeah, they announced that they restructuring bankruptcy, but not actually did the listings. So maybe at some point, unless they can fix it. Nah, nah. The 180 coins. 180 coin calls. Oh wow. BMR just had a nice pop. 1145. A nice pop. A nice pop. 1150 BMR. Long time ago. I've never heard of that store. Express. Dressy clothes. Oh, okay. Anyways, there goes 38 again. 38. Uh, 1680. Yeah. What's it? No. Thinking about picking up some coin. 180s. Okay, sounds good. I think yeah, we have a few more minutes, guys, and then we have to hop off and go back to Discord. A few more minutes, and then I have to go do some other stuff. So again, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, come join us. Interesting. Offering closes today. Maybe that's why it's running then. Maybe. I don't know. I haven't looked. I'm sure if we look at the filing, there should be a day on there, but I haven't looked. The offering is expected to close on February 15, subject to customary closing conditions. So yeah, it's expected to close today. There goes 41 cents for BMR there. Not for BMR. BuzzFeed 43 cents. Ooh wee, that thing is pumping. CEO. Interesting. Okay. Appointments according to receive the marketing. Shipping via. Okay, sounds good. Okay. I was going to buy 16 yesterday. Well, I'm glad you didn't. Yeah, glad you did not. No, 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 no. I was hoping for some SPAC rallies, but nothing, 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 nothing. Yeah, TVGN wasn't good enough to give us anything. Thank you, Kimbella. You need another 10 tomorrow. You made 10 today. Is that what you're saying? Or you need another 10? Did you make 10 today? My goodness. No, no, no. Two 150s. Yeah. Tough is looking at that stock. So I wonder what NNOX is going to do here at 950. Wonder if it's going to stay above and then pump again. Hopefully. That would be nice. What's the, okay, 1150. Yeah. So it's just playing around for now. Playing around for now. We shall see if it ends up bouncing. If it ends up bouncing. Already? No, 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 no. 13s and 15s. No, 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 no. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Wait, what was that? La la la. Looking at the option chain is kind of fun. Yeah, looks like we're failing at 43 and then backing off. Yeah, no, it is. Try not to get addicted to new things. Yeah, yeah. Yes, agreed. Agreed. La la la. Luna with the dipski. $6.10 support. A-Win musties. Hopefully stays above 10 cents. That thing has been known to. CURO is what I'm looking for. 33 cents. Dang. Hopefully stays above 10 cents here. Tough. That's a nasty sell off. It's vicious. Ew. Oh my goodness, why am I muted? Anyways, I was saying, I was saying, I was saying, I uh, I was saying how like how streaming is dangerous sometimes if I'm not paying attention. I went to set a stop loss on something, and I set the stop loss $9 below the price that it's at. So this is one of those cases where like the stop loss would hit, or like it would go below the price that I have in my mind for the stop loss, and then I'd be like, wait, what the hell? Why isn't my stop loss hitting? But the damn thing is $9. Yeah, IVP. This is the one that we talked about this morning. This morning. You're playing with. I know, Dan. I looked at that. I was like, wait, what? What just happened? $9 below the stop, below the price of the stock. I would be pissed. That would ruin my day really quickly, especially if that thing halted and then next thing you know, oh my goodness. Oy. I think that's a sign that we should. It's time to call it a day. Let me see here. I wanted to look at one last thing here. Uh, Interesting. Is that trying to go back up? He doesn't do well under the bridge. Uh uh. I do not. Do not. 160, 168-ish, basically. Yeah. No, 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 no. Yeah, it looks like IVP failed at 20 cents, 21, and then came right back down to 17. It failed. No, 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 no. Uh, yeah, tried to break the and got slapped like a who? Oh my goodness, Dad. Like a who? Oh my days. Anyways. Alrighty, guys, let me know if you have any last questions, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord. Last questions, let me know. Instead of the sell button, oh, I bought 10x what you wanted to buy. I have accidentally sold a stock. I got into a stock. Oh, this pissed me off one time. I got into a stock, right? I got in, and what I always do is like I go set a stop loss immediately, right? I want to buy here. I want to set a 10-cent stop loss. Blah blah blah. I go to and I was streaming. So I was obviously multitasking and paying attention to like different things. So then I go instead of like setting a stop loss, I click on limit order instead. Obviously, the limit is below the current price, so it's gonna sell. It sells immediately, okay, and I'm not even paying attention, okay. The stock is at $20. It's at $20. I'm like, okay, good. So we're inside. I set a stop loss at 19 something, okay, and the stock goes to 21. I'm like, let's go. Come on, 22. Let's go. 23, let's go. I go to go move my stop loss, and I just realize what I've done, and I'm pissed. And the stock is going to $30. That stock eventually went to like 50. I was so pissed. When do you pay attention? See, that's the question. I was so pissed. So I've made a lot of mistakes like that. Yup. Minus 12. Minus 4, I think. Minus 4. Minus 4 is the stop loss. Is where I will go to. And 26. 26 no 26 no no, I don't know, we'll see. Slow thrust. Come on. Yeah, lunchtime, Jeff. What's for lunch? Yes, Pablo. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Sound is bouncing Kiwi. Okay, nice. At the park, you should have. You should have brought your speaker, Virus, and then blasted it. Oh yeah, IVP is pumping back to the highs. Ooh, 90%. Here we go. Brace short rib. My goodness, Jeff, your wife is your wife. Makes sure you eat. Like she feeds you. That thing is pumping it. 23 cents, 108%. IVP on fire. Oh, can you see the candles? No, you can't. Sorry. There it goes. IVP. How bad am I doing? I'm in the same place as Pablo. Dan. Wild, right? You finish is forward. See? Not finished yet. There goes 24. Curry, rice for lunch. Oh my goodness. That sounds amazing. That sounds amazing. There you go. But I trust Pablo over you. Oh my goodness. We'll pass. We'll pass. Will not happened yet. Don't worry. Don't you worry. I see. I see. Uh, 8 points ahead of at my next weekend. I'll be 40 points. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Mm. Two, two. No, 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 no. Oh yeah. Yeah, Musty needs a big run for that thing to he needs a big run. Big run. Alrighty, guys. Yeah, I think it's time to call it a day. Call it a day. 210. 210s. 210s. Tesla is trying to recover. Oh, you have those Tesla calls. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's like, wait, what? When did Tesla get to 210? What the hell? And how did we miss that? No, Tesla is not at 210. Tesla wishes it was at 210. Tesla wishes it was at 210. Tesla wishes. Already? Yeah. Leave Tesla alone, please. I will. I'll leave Tesla alone. Alrighty, guys. Have a wonderful afternoon. Again, smash a like before you go. If you become a member, if you want to become a member, click the link at the bottom, and then send me an email at the top. Email at the top, HudrateX. And if not, I will see you guys in Discord. Not sure about Power Hour stream, but we'll see. And yeah. Alrighty. No, 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 no. Let me see here, actually. Alrighty, all. Be safe. Curry will be on your brain all day. Get some, get some. CM, see ya. Michael, thank you very much. Have a wonderful afternoon. Let's go, Emer. Enjoy dinner. Enjoy lunch. Bye, Queen. Bye, Virus. Bye, Dan. Slackers. I'm kidding. No, 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 no. Thank you, T. See you tomorrow. See you. See you later. See you in Discord, Amo. Already all. Again, be safe and yeah. Catch you guys later. Bye, Jeff. Enjoy. Tesla to the moon. Bernie, have a wonderful evening. A wonderful rest afternoon, Pyros. See you later. Justin, much love. See you later. Alrighty. Alrighty, guys. Bye. Bye bye.